true meaning of radiance. Excuse the lightning, is thunder and lightning outside. I can't control that, but what I can control is giving you some good quality content, okay? Okay, so today's video is my unboxing of my second Christmas gift I got from Bath & Body Works. Woo woo! So I'm super excited to explain what I got and how you can get what I got. Yes, you can get it too. Bath & Body Works right now is doing a giveaway on their Instagram. Go ahead and follow their Instagram if you're not already following. You probably already are, but all the items I'm going to show you are included in the giveaway. I'm going to first start off what I have on, and I'm going to stand up for you guys. Yes, this is one of the items that you'll be winning with your gift. It says, on the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me, Bath & Body Works. And y'all, this thing is super comfortable. And because I'm short, let me move this chair out the way. But because I'm short, it's pretty long. So it goes to about right here. And it's just so comfortable, like super, super comfortable. I got it in an extra large and I just feel very, very comfy in it. And it has a nice material. So this is the first item that you'll win if you win the giveaway. So make sure you're entering their giveaway. The rest of the items are in this box right here. So let me read the card that came from Bath & Body Works. It says, give love this Christmas. It says, Christmas at Bath & Body Works is here. Okay, we're in the merriest mood because we got to celebrate with you. Oh, thank you, boo. Thank you. If you love these items and share them on social, please be sure just to disclose that they were a gift. Again, this is my gift that came from Bath & Body Works. So let me show you. I first want to talk about these. These are so cute. I love these little heart-shaped little styrofoam things. But the first item I got is the love candle. It looks just like that. I actually bought one of these during the candle sale of $5.95, the single wick sale. So I bought this one and it smells so good. Yeah, and I love the packaging of it. So I'm so happy to have another one in my game. So this is one of the items that you'll win if you win the Bath & Body Works giveaway, okay? The second item you have a chance of winning included with the giveaway. Can I talk today? It has to be the cold that's knocking me off my game. But it's the Love Cotton Candy Champagne, and this is the shower gel. The notes in this is bubbly rosé, sweet strawberry, pink sugar. So my stuff ain't come yet from the $5.95 sale. So now I get to finally like use it without actually having to use my one that's going to be coming in the mail. Yes, it is that sprinkles one, but better. That champagne, I think it was, what, champagne sprinkles? But better. Because I wasn't the hugest fan of the champagne sprinkles. Oh, that's so good. And you get that strawberry. It's really strong in there. So I love it. Of course, y'all know I love it just for the packaging itself. But yes, so happy to have that one. And then we have the body cream that they are including in the giveaway as well. This is a 24-hour moisture ultimate hydration body cream with, of course, hyaluronic acid. Y'all know I love my body creams, like period poo. I cannot go without a good body cream. So let's put some of this on because I only have, I think, the Jergens on today or something. So we can add some scent, boo, because I don't have too much scent on me today. I didn't even put a scent of the day on yet. So I think I might use this as my scent of the day. Okay. I like this one. I really do. This one is good. You have the opportunity to win that as well included. And they included the Diamond Shimmer Mist, y'all. Oh my goodness. Y'all know I love me a good Diamond Shimmer Mist. So I'm going to be using this as my scent of the day. Y'all, my hands are so slippery from that body lotion. Come on, top. On top. Okay. So let's put some on. Smells so good going on. I don't want to spray it in my face. Yeah, but it smells so good going on. So this is the Cotton Candy Champagne Diamond Shimmer Mist that you'll get as a gift as well. And the last thing that's included in their giveaway is this bad boy. It's super cute, isn't he? He's the penguin. So you get the penguin and it comes with, you know, the pocket back thing as well in it. So I thought that was super cute. So I thought that was cute, a nice little added touch that Bath & Body Works offered to it. So yeah, guys, this is all you have a chance to win. Like, Not me, I'm not included, but you know, it is what it is. Everything else though is included in their giveaway. Like, are you excited for the giveaway? Definitely let me know in the comments below. I love you guys. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, enter Bath & Body Works giveaway, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Wanted to give you the rules real quick for the Give Love sweepstakes that Bath & Body Works is doing on their IG. So the rules are actually kind of simple. You just need to follow them, of course, at Bath & Body Works. Like the post that I have pictured right here. So the one that has that same post, you have to like it. You have to tag your friends in the comments for that post, okay? So any friends that you want to tag, you can even tag me. A lot of y'all were tagging me, so continue. Tag me. Let them know that you know that I am somebody, okay? So go ahead and tag me. It's fine. And then you have to put hashtag sweepstakes. So you have to put that hashtag as well. So let me give you the rules again. Give Love sweepstakes. There'll be 5 winners. So there'll be 5 winners. So 5 of those boxes. Okay. Follow them on IG. Like the post. Tag your friends, aka tag me in the comments, and then put hashtag sweepstakes. Good luck, everybody. I think it ends the 4th at 11:59 p.m. is when this contest is over. And I wish you all the best of luck. I would love to see one of my subscribers win this bad boy. I would love to see one of y'all win. Like, it would make my day. So if you do win and you're one of my subscribers, definitely let me know by like adding me at your prize or something like that. That way I know that you won. So that would be super cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video again and just hearing the rules, and definitely go and enter the giveaway, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.